Spicy meatball and pasta today on World Famous Foods. Let's cook. Okay folks, so we got our ground beef. We're gonna put a little bit of salt, black pepper, got some garlic, chopped onions, some Italian seasoning. Don't forget now, this is going to be spicy meatballs, baby, spicy meatballs. Okay, then we're going to be using some hot and spicy Cheez-Its. Cracking 2 eggs. We got some parmesan cheese, and we're going to mix this all up. We're going to add some W sauce to this. Just mix this up further. Alright, so now we're going to form our meatballs. Just get a little bit here, just roll this into a ball. Like this. Not too big, not too small. Up to you what size you want to make them. Okay, now we're going to fry our meatballs in some avocado oil. Put them all in there. Okay, so we're going to take our meatballs out. Alright folks, so we got some shallots here. Sauteing these down a little bit. Some avocado oil. Now we're going to add our homemade marinara sauce. Turn our heat down. Add our meatballs. We're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes or so. All right, folks, our meatballs are finished. Look at this. So I added some cayenne pepper, some parmesan cheese. Look, see the stickiness there? Look, see that? Okay. Okay, time to plate. Here we are, folks. Spicy meatballs and pasta. Enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't already.